Doon. Doon pala sa taas.
Sa taas.
Go Chanel!
Go Chanel!
Chanel ba yun?
Huwag huminga ng... Ganda mo. Huminga ka mo kay Chanel. Parang buntis eh.
Chanel ba yun?
Gandahan ang labanan sa make-up. Hindi marunong siya, hindi naman ata
Bakit? Go Chanel! Alam mo, hindi ko nakikita yung mga mukha. Blurred. Ang blurred ng paningin.
Parang ang light.
Go Chanel!
Huwag ka huminga lang man.
大家好，我是大岛Monte Carlo Okinawa Festival of the Philippines, Rosario, Cavite.
Go Chanel!
Hello. Hi. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your candidate number 2, Miss Marie Chanel Ortega, proudly represent Lugar Caluragon, Bicol, Sorsogon.
Marami din pala sila.
From the land of the historical festival of the Philippines, Peña Pressure Festival, probinsya ng Bicol, Municipality ng Albay. My name is Maria Ramos, 20, representing Bicol Province.
This is Maria Vanessa Tisasama from the Seals Mall, 27, Bacolod City.
Sino si Manalo? Manalo yun?
Okay, si Manalo yun. Yung city of Sorsogon. Parang maganda yung nakapun. No, parang anyong girl. Bakit dito?
Good afternoon, everyone. A 28 years old stunner. My name is Justin Helen Fernandez Bulacan.
Natural lang kasi.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jalan Mercado, 31 years old, from province of Pangasinan.
Yan ba yung iba sabi mo?
Girl yung
Kung ang perlasting matatagpuan sa ilalim ng karagatan, ngayon po ay nasa inyong harapan ang napakagandang kabukal ni Barbie Emperial. This is Ashley Casapo Camonino, nagmula sa tribo ng mga mangyan, Occidental Mindoro. Thank you.
Wala tayong paano, dapat may paano pala
Kaya
tayo.
sabi ko sa'yo.
Wala kasi
Ako
lang sa
ang prinsesa, Cinderella, province of Oriental Mindoro.
Parang hindi sumali ngayon si Mick.
Sino? Sino yun? Sino
Good
yun?
afternoon, everyone. This is Jeeling Gray from the province of Negros Occidental.
Asan si Manalo?
Ayun, Sorsogon.
Anong kulay? Naka-blue?
Yung nakapula. Yung nakapula sa loob.
Differently, the pride of Southern Province City, province of Bulacan.
Hello, hi mabuhay. To become the winner of this competition, it is not necessarily the person has the most, but well, ladies and gentlemen, it is the person who gives the most. I'm Shelly Nicole Wilson, heading all the way from the province of the North, Nueva Vizcaya. Woo!
First take education of the layout and division. Glamorous morning, ladies and gentlemen. The going in front of you is fresh. 23 years thunder, all the way from sa lugar kung saan binabalik-balikan, Cavite. This is your candidate number 12, your AJ Peralta.
Sorsogon, probinsya. Sorsogon, region kang Bicol.
Bicol din. Akala ko Sorsogon si ano? Si Chanel. Sorsogon din ba Bicol?
Mabuhay! My name is Alexi Manalo Brooks from the land of Bamba Tea Festival, Isabela!
Parang ito lagi nasabi. Lagi nasabi.
Hero Suwa from the land of the smiling of beauty, province of Cagayan.
Beauty and longevity, but my personality isn't how cute to remember me. This is Misha, where we used to